So how did my skin went from this to my getting better skin complexion in 3 weeks? Introducing ang MetSkin Meet Skin Serum Soap formulated to help people with problematic skin, kagaya ko, na halos sinubukan ko na ata ang lahat, promise. Naniniwala po kasi ako na dapat tayo mismo ang gumagamit ng ating produkto to prove our claims. MetSkin has glutamate complex, niacinamide, collagen, vitamin C and E, and citrus extract. By the way, meron siyang lemon and tomato extract na proven and tested by dermatologists to help soothe skin naturally. At super bango din ito na parang gatas, sarap papakin. Hydrating, moisturizing, may anti-aging and antibacterial properties nito. For just only 140 pesos, may 3 bars ka na ng 70 grams na sabon. Individually wrapped pa yan ha, to ensure hygienic handling. Ito yung sabong pagkatapos mo maligo, hindi dry sa skin, hindi makate, safe ibabad. Speaking of safe, safe nito sa buntis, lactating, and preteens. Sobrang tipid ko sa MetSkin. Serum na ginawang sabon, 2-in-1 na. Kaya, ano pang inaantay nyo? Check out na!